Zoom. Stop take picture. Take picture. Zoom. 1. Stop recording video button. Stop recording. Take picture. Stop recording. Take picture. Zoom. 1.0x button. Stop record. Take picture. Stop recording video button.
I don't know how to flip the camera.
One face near left edge.
But,
near top edge.
Okay.
Near top right edge.
Hello everyone, this is Dominic Wadraska uploading another video on my channel.
Near top edge.
Hold on, I need to turn off the speech.
Speech off.
I want to tell you briefly how to tell if your microwave is basically done if you are hearing impaired and you cannot also see. So if you're deaf-blind, you know, how a deaf-blind person checks to see whether his or her microwave is done. First, you put your item into the microwave, whatever item it is. If it could be a burrito. In fact, I want to show you again because I want to show you, and with me explaining it. So, I just recently put this item in the microwave or in the plate. Right? I'm gonna set my phone down so I can do this. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up the microwave. I'm going to put the item into the microwave. Okay. What I'm gonna do is, now this is going to be a thing. I'm going to go time cook. Actually, I'll let you see this time because it's already in the microwave. I don't know if you can see the buttons or whatever, but this is the time cook. Hit that. Go 10 seconds. So, and then after that, hit start. Put your hand on the side of the microwave. The reason being is because you cannot, you know, if you're hard of hearing and you cannot tell, like right there, the microwave is done running. See, sometimes you can't hear the beeps. Okay. That's sometimes, okay? So then if you think it's done, you can pull it out. You can, for my recommendation on this is you can put it on the counter, okay? Close the door. Check to see if the microwave runs on its own, because with this microwave you might want to, but with other microwaves you don't have to. Such as if you're in your own house and your microwave door is like loose and you want it closed, but you don't want it running. All you gotta do is open it and reclose it again. I'm gonna sit over here today. Beans. Oh, there's a paper plate. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I'm gonna sit over here today, beans. I don't really have enough time. But what I wanted to show you, or what I wanted to tell you is, you don't have to, you cannot do it with all appliances. You can do it with the dishwasher maybe. You can do it with the microwave. You can do it with a washing machine and dryer. if it is still running, if you cannot hear it. But you cannot, and I'm going to emphasize this because, this is important for a lot of people, especially, kids who like to run the microwave or, run the stove as they're cooking stuff. The stove, you cannot, I repeat this, you cannot touch the stove if it's hot. You cannot. So the only way to tell if the stove is running is if you feel any heat coming from the stove. If you feel any heat coming from the stove and that tells you it's on, or you can go if it's marked because, you just want it marked and you want to know what's going on with the stove. If you have it on, there should be a mark on high, there should be a mark on medium, there should be a mark on low, and there's also should be a mark on off. If you hear something, or no, not here, but if you feel a mark, I'm probably too close to the phone again. If you feel a mark on your if you feel a mark on your thing, on your stove, right? If you feel a mark on your stove that signifies medium or high, and if it matches up to either medium, high, or low, then it is on. If it touches the off mark and it matches the off mark, then you know that it's off. And that is for people who are just blind or blind and hearing impaired, like me. I'm deaf blind. Okay, and now let me tell you the difference. Let me tell you, people told me that you're not deaf, so how could you be considered deaf blind? So I'm going to answer a lot of these questions, especially this big one, because it is a big one. Deaf blind simplifies, or symbolizes, I should say, that you are hearing impaired and or blind. It doesn't necessarily mean that you are completely deaf. You could be in the category of deaf blindness if you are hearing impaired and or blind. And a lot of people have said, but, you're not completely deaf. So how is that still, possible? Because I can't hear everything around me. I can only hear some things. So, like now with my left ear, I can't hear the traffic very well. It sounds like radio static. The right ear, I can't hear anything at all. Whoops. I can't hear anything at all. So, in that particular case, you would have to, you would be qualified for deaf blindness, or to fit in the category of a deaf blind person. Does that make sense? Because you cannot, what's the word I'm looking for? You cannot be deaf-blind if you fully can hear but you're blind. You have to meet some sort of hearing impairment requirement that tells you or that considers you deaf-blind. So hopefully that makes sense to everybody. I know it was only supposed to be a microwaving video, and I can't go live, just so y'all know, because something with my channel and everything else, and yeah, I don't know what's going on. But I am going to publish this video because I want people to understand. I want people to understand how a blind and hearing impaired person, or you can shorten it up and say deaf-blind person, runs the microwave and fixes a meal by running the microwave. So, yeah. If you enjoy this video, you can please like and subscribe to my channel. And I want everybody to have a great day.
Speech on. Stop recording video.